So beginning with the academic background, I have been a biomedical engineer and passed out on like since 2018. And after that, I worked as an intern in a few hospitals. Like we have to do that all. And then COVID, I have a like COVID, I couldn't work because of the given situations. And then I like post that I started working as an executive engineer into a biomedical company itself, performing a bit of data analytics there. I came in touch with LearnBay also, and from there I started my data science journey. To be honest, engineering, like biomedical engineering, was totally based on electronics and components of the machineries in that. So nothing related to coding as such. The most coding that I have learned was in my first year, and that was only for scoring. We all know that. So currently, I've been placed into All Cargo Logistics. It is a logistics company. It's a freight forwarding company. Into their digital division that is running the data science and all of those projects. So as a learner, I'll believe LearnBay was pivotal because, as I told you, I was completely away from all the tech part. All I knew was a bit of Power BI and Tableau. Coming to LearnBay, so I started with Python, and that took the most of my time for me, and it actually covered everything, like all my knowledge base that I have today about this. I would really say 80 to 85, 90% is from LearnBase. The course that was given was pretty good. It covered everything. Sundaram sir, Amritansh, all of them, especially Sundaram sir's project batches, they were really very helpful for me, because I actually got to know, and to be honest, I'm applying them. I'm seeing that being applied into my current role also. So that was really very much beneficial. Mentors are available. Like any learner wants to contact the mentor, that is also available. So I have contacted them a lot. The flexibility was the first thing, and second thing was the project batches, because anything that you learn, I feel project batches were something that made me learn more than the normal classes and all. I have actually recommended a lot of people. Like they took the link, and I think Manju, Abhishek, and these were the people I usually who were my first point of contact. So I've given them their contact numbers because I think they were the only people I knew. So yes, I definitely like recommend LearnWeb. I researched for 3 months over all these pointers. Like there were so many institutes that are providing. Some are giving certification and all. One more thing, I would actually like if LearnWeb also gives a master's degree certificate, because that is something that would give also an added advantage to the learners.